Marine biology is the study of organisms that live in the ocean and other saltwater environments. But why is marine biology so important to us? Marine life is a vast resource providing food, medicine, and raw materials to humans. About 75% of the Earth's oxygen is produced by marine life in the ocean. Earth's shorelines are also shaped and protected by marine life. Marine life has the greatest biodiversity because it helps people to make full and wise use of the sea's living resources, solve problems marine organisms create, understand the history of Earth and life on Earth, and understand the mechanisms of our own bodies and how to develop new medical advances. The water cycle, also known as the hydrologic cycle, results from ocean water or lake water evaporating into the atmosphere causing condensation. This condensation then results in precipitation or rain or snow, which then results in surface runoff back into the ocean or lake. A water molecule is composed of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms, where all the molecules have covalent bonds, which means that they share electrons. Water is polar, which means that it shares its electrons unequally, which causes partial charges. Water is a polar molecule, which means that the shared electrons spend more time around the oxygen atom than they do the hydrogen atom, causing the molecule to have polarity. When a charged region comes in contact with its opposite charge, a hydrogen bond is formed. Cohesion occurs when water molecules are attracted to each other. Adhesion occurs when water molecules are attracted to other polar objects. This allows for capillary action, which is the ability of water to rise in narrow spaces. Surface tension occurs when water molecules at the surface have a greater attraction than those below. High boiling point, also known as latent heat of evaporation, causes evaporative cooling, which makes wet skin feel cold. High specific heat, also known as thermal capacity, helps water maintain and resist changes in temperature. Transparency depends on mineral and plankton content. Water is relatively transparent and is less transparent near rivers and coastlines. Marine autotrophs depend on this transparency. Sunlight contains all colors of visible light. Blue light penetrates the farthest, and the other colors are absorbed, especially red. Below 30 meters, everything looks blue because blue is the only color that can penetrate the farthest.